want to come back to the model now, and I want to think about some of the other things that are in the circuit. Okay, so we've had the battery. The battery provides the push that sets in motion the charged particles around the circuit. Okay, the charged particles are called electrons, and that flow of charge around the circuit is called current. Okay, so we've got the battery and we have the current flowing around the circuit. So how does that make a bulb light, for example? So if we imagine that this little tab of tape here is the bulb. Okay, in class we would represent that by one of you holding the rope. So we remember we've been holding the rope like this and just letting it pass easily through our hands. Well, I would ask one of you now to grip the rope a little bit more tightly. Not too tight, because I wouldn't want you to hurt yourself, but you would grip the rope tightly. So imagine now if I'm pulling the rope through, but you're holding it tighter, what would you feel in your hand? I'll give you a little bit of time to think about what would happen to your hands if I'm pulling that rope through. What would happen if I start to pull it faster, or if you start to grip tighter? Your hand would get really, really hot, wouldn't it? And that's, in a way, what happens in the bulb. Okay, so the bulb is making it difficult for that current to flow through. So that current has to give up some of its energy to the bulb. So it gives it some energy and it causes the bulb to light. Okay, the charges aren't used up. You can see that they still continue to flow through the bulb, but what's happening is that they're giving up some of the energy. Okay, so the battery kind of powers them up, for want of a better word, so it gives them some energy, gives our charged particles some energy. They carry it round to the bulb. Once they go through the bulb, they give up some of that energy, causing the bulb to light.